5th Farmers Poinu Mifam held at National Research Centre, Kanchipur. 5 farmers honored. Annual talk show by BBA students of DM College of Commerce held. Profit to help internally displaced people at relief camps. And daily best social worker Kiran Verma reaches Imphal after walking 78,800 kilometers to raise awareness on blood donation. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window English News. I am CELINA 𝐂𝐲𝐶, giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. The 5th Farmers Poinu Mifam on the theme Revival of Economy Through Agriculture Activities was held at National Research Centre, NRC Hold at Kanchipur today. The meet was organized by Irabot Foundation Manipur, IFM, President of IFM 𝐾𝐄𝐲𝐿, Director of Agriculture Department, Government of Manipur, and 𝐁𝐫𝐸𝐬, Professor of Department of Economics, Manipur University, 𝐁𝐫𝐸𝐬, and Associate Professor of Department of Political Science, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, 𝐿𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐿, were the main guests at the event. 5 successful farmers were presented with gifts on the occasions, and the farmers also presented their produces to the guests. Speaking on the occasion, Director of Agriculture and 𝐁𝐫𝐸𝐬 lauded Irabot Foundation for organizing such meet, stating that the event has not only strengthened the farmers but also has provided a platform to enlighten the farmers on various schemes of the government initiated for the welfare of the farmers. He informed that the farmers can register online to avail the benefits of PM Kishan scheme every 4 months or can visit the Agriculture Office to avail the same. Stating that the department has been working for the welfare of the farmers, he added that the farmers in the state continue to face hardship as the amount sanctioned for farmers by the government is very limited.
Professor CELINA apiraba har hapadagi tinda hapadagi habatu akoi department su yamna note tawjai maram aduna akoi se government su research yam tawraga hujiti nano fertilizer na matore nano fertilizer koi mamang sahi dagi akoi karkar sinaba hausira tawne adu akoi gi asoi bahai ga matam chana akoi se praja lobi singsi duket tawraba kapi hokaba tare koi sagi char koi gi professor comment hageramba extension functionaries na tapi tami ga da koi su shortage kitang leba koi gi extension functionaries je koi gi awat pa khar leba lo na koi yam kan honari
lagu singi mari le na manipura agriculture musulai sigi da matra karo lising ga chama maudrasi karo lising ga chama maudrasi 2021-22 ki da matra masi budget ta thame ko wa hai ko ju ne bi apne ne lising amaga chama maudrasi ya he karo lising chali ki ya da manipur bi lagu singi maki sa prasadi thama banina apa banina on makar dila adina kai na ko khal ai ne bijali 2021-22 ki अदुगा दिक्कमाई तोगिबो सही ओलप मकांदा लुपा क्या सिने की ये कांददी लुपा करो समा कता दे सिनाई.
BBA students of DM College of Commerce opened the annual Talk Show 2023-24 at the auditorium of DM Commerce today. Vice Chancellor of DM University, Professor N. Raj Mohan, Controller of Examination DM Commerce, Dr. A. Nabachandra, Head of Mathematics Department, DM College of Commerce, Dr. T. Sarat Chandra, graced the inaugural event as the main guest. Speaking on the occasion, Coordinator of DM Commerce, Dr. T.H. Priyokumar said, "The annual Thug Shop is a management event for BBA students. The event is being organized every year as a practical training for the students with the objective of making them put into application various business strategies to help in generating income," he said. Dr. Priyokumar further said that the college aims at organizing the event every year to enhance the knowledge of the students. However, the event, which was normally held for 2 days, is being held for only 1 day this year in view of the ongoing crisis in the state. Students of BBA first, third and fifth semesters opened 13 stalls at today's event. The profit earned from the event will be utilized to help internally displaced people at relief camps, Dr. Priyakumar said.
BBA Mayorosina, theoretical aspect, Mayama classroom the Nainabdu, practical winner, hands on training winner, Ariba, Ivenasi, Kosai, the Pankosuba, event company, Ivenasi Pena, and then tax of 2023 24 and the Tonzare and the Kisina, Rangang Sinsina, business kit on the strategy apply to Roga, Matokamna, Satan, get the gay high Wakalundu, Nangana Gitamak, Ariba, Ivenasi in Germany, the Amam the Namo, event management. ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ ꯏꯚꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯁꯥ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯆꯍꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ 2 daysꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯈꯟꯅꯖꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯟꯔꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯈꯛꯇꯃꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯗ ꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯦ
A BBA student said the students were clubbed into groups and they put the business ideas and talents into their products. They chipped in from their own pockets to develop the products, and the profit they get from the events will be donated to relief camps, the student said.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯕꯤꯖꯤꯅꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯖꯁ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯇ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯛ ꯈꯪꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯏꯅꯐ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯤꯉꯣꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯇ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯚꯦꯂꯨꯑꯦꯕꯜ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯗ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯨꯗꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯁꯂꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯣꯁ ꯑꯦꯐꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ
ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯕꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯖꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯆꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯥ ꯍꯩꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯂꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯕꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯕꯤꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯪꯉꯛꯄ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯤꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯐ ꯀꯦꯝꯞꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯁꯥꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄꯥꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯉꯥꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯐ ꯀꯦꯝꯞꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯉꯥꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯒꯅꯤ.
In a bid to raise awareness on the importance of voluntary blood donation, Delhi-based social worker Kiran Verma reached Imphal on December 6th after covering a distance of 17,800 km on foot. On a mission to cover 21,000 km across India to celebrate awareness about blood donation, Verma started his journey on December 28, 2021 from Kerala. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Kiran Verma said, "Every day, more than 12,000 people fail to get blood in India, due to which more than 3 million people die waiting for blood. If 5 million youths start donating blood, then there will be no deaths because of the non-availability of blood in India," he added. Verma said he had covered states like Kerala, Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu, Goa and Maharashtra. He came to Manipur too to encourage people to donate blood, Verma said.
India needs 15 million blood donors all across year to fulfill all blood related need. But we get only 10 to 11 unit of blood. And out of that, we just need 5 million more blood donors to fulfill this need, so that nobody should die waiting for blood. And my target is that after 31st December 2025, nobody in India should die waiting for blood. I took this pledge in 2016 when my blood was sold to a lady who got into prostitution to pay medical bills for her husband. And that's when I left my well-paying job to start working on this cause. And since then, I've been walking and talking about blood donation. And the only reason or only vision behind this is that after 31st December 2025, this problem should be solved and nobody should die waiting for.
The 𝐷 Foundation, a Swiss non-profit research and development organization and a major contributor to the Internet Computer Blockchain (ICP), yesterday announced that the Manipur Department of Education will deploy a unique educational product suite focused on verifying and storing educational certificates in a secure platform on the Internet computer. It is said that the solution will ensure the certificate's authenticity while making it accessible to the owners anywhere in the world at all times, removing the issues associated with lost certificates. This ICP-based solution will bring more credibility to certificates and empower students in their search for employment. The product suite will leverage ICP technology such as Internet identity to ensure all relevant information is accessible and tamper-proof, while no unnecessary personal information is available. The Horizon, a New Delhi Web3 policy and adoption think tank, will support the implementation process with technology guidance from 𝐷. Founder and chief scientist at 𝐷 Foundation, Dominic Williams, commented that as a global leader in cutting-edge technology, India continues to innovate by integrating blockchain technology into its education system. The Internet computer is a tamper-proof and fully decentralized public blockchain with no backdoors. These qualities make it a perfect solution for securely hosting important documents. This initiative leverages ICP's unique advantages in security, immutability and transparency to address critical challenges within Manipur's education system. The solution will be tailor-made for the Department of Education to develop the state into a knowledge and skills hub within India, Dominic said. Minister of Education T.H. Basanta said, Manipur has always been at the forefront of technology adoption with a young and tech-savvy population. Blockchain is a very important technology and the Education Department looks forward to collaborating with ICP to bring students' academic credentials to blockchain, the minister said. Veteran politicians and 𝐶PM leader 𝐿𝐴𝐷 was sworn in as Chief Minister of Mizoram today. He was administered oath of office and secrecy by Governor Haribabu Kambhampati at Rajbhavan in Aizawl. The 74-year-old 𝐿𝐴𝐷 joined politics in 1984 when he was elected as Member of Parliament Lok Sabha on Congress ticket. He has walked the political corridor for almost 40 years before assuming the chief ministership. In this year's election, he led the Joram People's Movement 𝐶PM to a decisive victory, bagging as many as 27 seats in the 40-member House. Apart from the chief minister, a total of 7 cabinet ministers also took oath of office and secrecy. On Tuesday, the 𝐶PM legislature party elected 𝐿𝐴𝐷 as its leader and 𝐾𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 as the deputy leader. 𝐶PM Media Cell General Secretary A.D. Josang Liana said that the Val Upa Council, an advisory body of the party, met 𝐿𝐴𝐷 on Wednesday to decide the formations of the Council of Ministers. The chief ministers will be looking after the finance department, among others. With a 40-member assembly, Mizoram can have 12 ministers, including the chief ministers. Former chief ministers Lal Thanhawla and Joram Thanga were also present in today's swearing-in ceremony. 𝐿𝐴𝐷 is a former Indian Police Service IPS officer. He had got selected for the IPS in 1977. During his illustrious career, he even served as security in charge of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi's security in 1982. After quitting IPS, he became a Congress MP in 1984. He later resigned from Congress and became the first MP to be disqualified under the anti-defection law in November 1988. Lalduhoma played active role in ending the insurgency in Mizoram, which paved the way for the signing of the Mizoram Peace Accord in 1986. He later formed Mizo National Front Nationalist, which was later renamed to Joram Nationalist Party (ZNP) in 1997. In 2003, he won the assembly polls as a ZNP candidate.
That I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a Chief Minister for the State of Mizoram, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such Minister.
Stating that people of Manipur take the brutal murder of 13 Meitei martyrs in their effort to protect the motherland very seriously, advisor of Youth Development Club 𝐶𝐤𝐸𝐬, 𝐿 maintained that the people of the state will avenge their deaths and continue to protect the state. He was speaking to media persons on the sideline of a candlelight vigil offering tribute to the 13 martyrs held last night at 𝐶𝐤𝐸𝐬 Community Hall, organized by 𝐶𝐤𝐸𝐬 Youth Development Club. Marapaibi and 15 board attendees also observed a 2-minute silence in honor of the 13 martyrs. Speaking further, advisor of YDC 𝐿 said, Chin Kuki narco-terrorists have been trying to disintegrate Manipur. Not only have rendered thousands of people homeless, but also have killed many innocent civilians. He also expressed strong condemnations over the killing of the 13 brave hearts who came to the forefront to protect the land and urged the people of the state to join hands in protecting the state.
Nungshijaba Ilecha Traumdebo, Technopol District, Yamna, Manu Hundanaleba, Jaga Amada, Kuki Militansina, Harga, Yamna Tamchi Monda, or Pin Nibiru Matunda, Hatok Tikiba, Yamla Baktiba, who do the Lakidaba, Ekigi, Ilecha Sing, Reginau Sing, Isa Sing, Aduna, Larry Bakta, Nakogi Tawaina, Yam Ingna Signa, Santi Oina, Larina Bagdamakta, Mayam Punna, Awa Puntopogi, Masi Pantuksari, Luna Lunana, Lehoriba, Ilecha Kudimapuna, Makogi Matung in Buna, Imalebaki the Makta, Makogi Lemon, Igi Lemon, Ing Singba Habido, I could Punna Mutang, Punamina Makogi Lemon, Suchi Habisima, Ekoi, Mayam Punna, Humum Amata the Leminasi. Loina, Laikidraba, Ilecha Sing Adugi, Saina Kangliba, Imun Manung Sing Adugi, Awabadasu, Awam Posumon Kuno, Youth Development Club, Awam Posumon Kuno Mara Pai 15 board key, Nasipunjariba, Mayam Kurimanasu, Awabada, Sarugazari.
Let's take a quick break.
Welcome you all to UNAPA School Janum, Imphal East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2023-24 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic session for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
Diabetes ko loy na hinglaba sing thamagi manungda control to bangamle. Urea creatinine wangbasu thamagi manungda hantaba ngamle. Khong hamba nungai tebasu numit manganigi manungda fahan bangamle. Piles saibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahan bangamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oy bangamle. BP wangbasu thamagi manungda normal oy bangamle. Fatty liver oy basu thamagi manungda fagat han bangamle. Pumnamak natural oiba hidak makhalna laing jabani hakchang da sokadaba side effect amata laite makata na hidak chabagi mathau su tararoi hena kupa parol gidamak ngasimak langsin birau diabetes hospital soibam leikai ayangpali road opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Welcome back. The Global Manipur Federation, GMF, has condemned the brutal killing of 13 Meitei individuals on December 4th. Media team of Global Manipur Federation representing Asia, Africa, America, Australia, Europe, Middle East and New Zealand in a press release vehemently condemned the brutal killings of 13 Meitei individuals and expressed profound condolences to families affected by this tragic incident that occurred at 𝐋𝐢𝐯 village near Indo-Myanmar border. It said the victims, identified as Meitei youths, some still in their teenage years, fell victim to a massacre perpetrated by 𝐂𝐄𝐂𝐄 militants. Many of them were internally displaced people, IDPs, residing at relief camps, and in the absence of motive or evidence as to why their lifeless bodies were recovered near 𝐋𝐢𝐯 village, this gruesome incident can be classified as crimes against humanity akin to the Supreme Court of India's description of keeping the pot boiling in Manipur, GMF said. Notably, the victims were murdered after being captured, brutally tortured, which raises alarming concerns of potential genocide and crimes against humanity under UN Article 3 of the Geneva Convention, GMF pointed out. It further urged the government of Manipur to officially recognize these individuals as martyrs and called upon the authority to employ all necessary legal measures to apprehend the perpetrators responsible for this mass killing, stating that the governments are the custodian, the protections of life and security of the people of Manipur. GMF urged the governments to commit in protecting the public and their interests, in particular the desperate youths, and ensure that such incidents do not repeat in the future. Just a day before Joram People's Movement leader Lalduhoma oath-taking ceremony as the new Chief Minister of Mizoram, 𝐶𝐄𝐃 of Manipur's Kangpokpi celebrated his victory in the recently concluded Mizoram Assembly election yesterday. Kangpokpi Town Committee, Kangpokpi Women Welfare Organization, and the Kangpokpi Youth Union organized a celebratory party at the office of the Town Committee office yesterday. A dinner was also served at the residence of Chairman of Vengtha Ward No. 3, 𝐁𝐫𝐿 after the formal celebrations at the KTC office. The 𝐶𝐄𝐃 bodies of Kangpokpi also congratulated the people of Mizoram for their efforts in forming a people's government in Mizoram. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. 5th Farmers Poinu Mifam held at National Research Center, Kanchipur. 5 farmers honored. Annual talk show by BBA students of DM College of Commerce held. Profit to help internally displaced people at relief camps. And Delhi Best Social Worker Kiran Verma reaches Imphal after walking 17,800 km to raise awareness on blood donation. And that is all we have for now. But for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.